What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming at you with another video. So we are currently working on the vlog for this week. It was a really dope vlog. I think you're gonna like it. So just stay tuned. Like the video, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified when we drop that vlog. Super dope NBA game. You know how we do. You know how we do. But today, we got a Nike sneakers rare W, bro. This is rare. To get a W on Nike sneakers app, bro, are you joking? We got a dub. And it may sound crazy that I'm really this happy, but like sneakers apps dubs don't come often. The problem was, it's for a shoe that I did not want. I was just seeing because like whenever there's a draw, I kind of just always just fill it out just because like I want to see if I'll ever hit. And this is the first ever draw on sneakers I've ever won. So wow. And then like I didn't know what the value of this shoe was. It just happens. It's a $500 Nike SB. I got it in my size. Doubt we're gonna keep because I don't really mess with Nike Nike SBs like that. So doubt we're gonna keep. But it's just dope that we got a win. Like maybe this triggers something maybe this triggers like, you know, a come up. I don't know what I'm saying. Nike SB, size 12, Dunk High Premium Quick Strike. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Ooh. These is clean. Like if I ever was gonna start with SBs, this might be one of them ones. Cause sheesh, this is nice.
A few moments later.
Yo, hold on. Is this part of the shoe? It's gotta be. It's gotta be. All right. I don't know. I honestly don't know anything about this shoe. I literally just always releasing. This thing is messed up, man. No, Nike, y'all really gonna have to talk to me now. We might have issues. What is going on? Okay, so I don't know if this is like supposed to be part of the shoe. Hold on. Is that little stain right there a part of the shoe? Is that stain on the swoosh part of the shoe? Somebody gonna have to talk to me. Somebody talk to me, man. The bottom looks like somebody was already skateboarding in them. What are we doing? What is that stain right there? Somebody gonna have to talk. What? Does it rip off? Okay. I'm really confused. Like, I'm really scared. This bottom looks fine. But like, oh, it does rip off. No, I'm scared. So there's like these like tabs right here. You see me, you see me? So there's like these tabs. I don't know if you could rip them off, but like there's stains on both of the things. I don't know what's going on. It's the carpet Nike SBs. Like it says carpet on the bottom. I don't know what's going on. I just know these is weird, man. I'm not keeping them. I don't know. Sheesh. Okay, there's nothing I can tell you. There's nothing I can tell you, honestly. I don't know what's going on with this. Ain't mine. I don't know. Nike, y'all really weird. Y'all got some weird stuff going on. I don't know if that's supposed to be in it. Any SB heads, y'all want to let me know. Carpet SB. I don't know. I don't know. Don't worry about it. Stay tuned for the vlog tomorrow, man. Nike sneakers dub. What can I say? We up. Y'all ain't tell me. There's 2 different layers in this. So it's like the Lance Mountains that reveals the different color. Yo, these is hard. Hold on. These gotta go crazy. Disregard the last 5 minutes. These go nuts. and I really, really want to keep them. And if it wasn't for the NCAA tournament, I would have kept these boys. But I'm going to take the profits, and I'm going to put all of that money on the Illinois Fighting Illini. I don't know what their nickname is. I'm going to put all the money on them. So, sadly, can't keep them because I need to bet that money. And we go triple it up. Then I'm going to come back, buy them again. Don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is kind of crazy. 2 different shoes. I think that's where all the nonsense marks are. I'm not too sure, though. They just look like stains. And this is definitely like somebody tried these on and skateboarded in them. But to be honest, I couldn't tell you anything about this shoe. It's just fire though. I think it comes with more laces too. Woo, hold on. Sheesh. Blue, yellow, white, black. Okay. It's kind of weird that they just kind of threw them in here. But skateboarding shoe. Hope y'all skaters cop. Because these will be crazy. Rip them off. Layers. It's just some fire stuff, you know. It's just some light stuff. You know how he is, boy. Okay, but now I'm officially out of here. Burn.